Hi guys, welcome to this video on this channel. Here is a new mining platform, guys. This is called Dr. X. It's a new project, and as at the time of this video is being recorded, guys, we have just 176,000 followers on their Twitter handle, and it's a very good mining platform. Ice blockchain, in fact, is a new project from Ice blockchain. We know a lot of people made money from Ice blockchain. So I'll guide you through the processes on how to create an account on this platform and how to start mining. If you have not subscribed to our channel, guys, can you subscribe to our YouTube channel? Tap the notification icon so that you don't miss out when we give out a very good update like this on this platform. So guys, once you tap on the link in the video description, it comes up like this. Now you can download the app from the Google Play Store from the APK file. So guys, I use the Google Play Store. So tap on this Google Play Store. Once you tap on this Google Play Store, it comes up like this. Now tap on this install button. You wait a while for this app to install on your device. Once it has fully installed on your device, tap on this open button. Once you tap on the open button, it comes up like this. Now provide your email address here. Tap on this sign up button. Once you tap on the sign up button, it comes up like this. Now you say that you have to enter a code here. Go to your email address, and on your email address, guys, you see the code here. Copy this code, or you memorize the code, then enter the code in the space provided here. Once you've entered the codes into this place within the time frame, comes up like this. You can see that welcome to Dr. X. Now the next thing you have to do from this place is to tap on this next button. Tap on the next button again, guys. Tap on the next button. Tap on the next button to get to this place. Now once tap on the next button, it comes up like this. It asks for your user ID or your username. Provide a well suitable username for yourself on this place. Then tap on the next button. Once you tap on the next button, it comes up like this, guys. Doing so, guys, you get 2,000 Dr. X, that is DRX token for yourself. Go ahead and tap on this complete button. Once you tap on the complete button, guys, it's likely to bring out this particular option that you need to subscribe to their Telegram channel. Tap on this button, guys, to subscribe to their Telegram channel. Once you've done that, guys, it comes up like this. Now you can see that I've gotten my 200 points here. Then if you use my referral link, guys, you're going to get some commission as well. Then tap on this button, guys, to start my this platform. So now that I've tapped on the start button, you start mining on this platform. You see that the mining is in progress. As you can see that the mining is in progress. Now you see that it says ICE Open Network. So this particular mining is another mining project from ICE mining platform. And here is what I've gathered together in this process. So now the next thing you have to do, guys, is to share this with family friends. Then tap on this button. Once tap on this button, you have access to the sharing button here. Go ahead and tap on this copy icon to share this with your family, friends on social media and start more benefit on this platform. You can take your time, guys, and explore this platform. So keep subscribing to this channel so that I will be dropping latest information on this mining platform. If you do enjoy what I've explained in this video and you've not subscribed to this channel, guys, you can subscribe to our channel. Tap the notification icon and select all so that notified when we drop another important video on this channel. Thank you, guys. See you soon on our next video.